In this video, I will teach you how to connect a SharePoint list to Power BI. This is using OneDrive because SharePoint is a paid content. So this method is helpful if you want to visualize your list data quickly without directly accessing SharePoint. So first thing you need to do is to go to the website onedrive.com. You just have to log in with your Microsoft account. But if you don't have an account yet, you can just sign up for free. The next thing you have to do is to locate the SharePoint list that you want to connect. If your list isn't already in the OneDrive dashboard, you can export it to Excel from SharePoint and save it in OneDrive, just like I did right here. And then this Excel file will serve as a bridge between your SharePoint list and Power BI. Now open the Power BI desktop. And in the Power BI desktop, you just have to click on Get Data, then select Excel. Browse the folder in OneDrive where your SharePoint list Excel file is saved, and then select the files and click Load. And once the file is loaded, you'll see your SharePoint list data in Power BI, something along this line. And from here, you can start creating charts, graphs, and dashboards to visualize your data, just like right here. And make sure your OneDrive file is synced and updated. Any changes in the SharePoint list exported to OneDrive can be refreshed in Power BI, so your visuals always reflect the latest data. And using OneDrive as a substitute for SharePoint makes the process simpler for users without directly SharePoint accessing. This method allows easy data refreshes in Power BI when the Excel file is in OneDrive is updated. And you must remember that this approach works best for small to medium lists. Very large SharePoint lists may require direct SharePoint connection for optimal performance. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.